Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'll be talking about skincare products that I purchased from Burlington. Yes, majority of these products are purchased from Burlington. So the first thing I like to do is to drink some water. You know what I mean? I gotta stay hydrated or whatever. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab this towel, headband, whatever it's called. I don't know, mouchoir, whatever it may be. I'm just going to go ahead and grab that because I'm wearing a frontal and you know I don't need no water hitting it so my frontal don't slide back within the process. I got to take care of that. You feel me? So the next thing I'm going to do is take my lashes off, and oh my, was that a relief. It's like the longer I had them on, the heavier my eyes got. I was like, oh no, these bad boys got to come off. They just got to come off. You feel me? Oh, do your dance. Do your little dance or whatever. Do your dance. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab some coconut oil. I love using coconut oil while removing my makeup because it makes the process so much easier. Before using this technique, I used to use so many makeup wipes, and I was like, oh my, I was like constantly at the store trying to buy makeup wipes. But ever since I started to rub coconut oil, what? Guarantee you, I probably use only 2 makeup wipes. And this process can also be a little messy, so make sure you're in the bathroom or in an area where it's easy for you to clean up. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the makeup wipes that I also purchased from Burlington. They're called the Intensive Eye Coconut Oil Makeup Cleansing Wipes. I love these makeup wipes. Like when I walk into Burlington, the first thing I look for is for these makeup wipes. They work perfectly with my skin. Also, I want to mention to you all, I have sensitive skin, but while using these makeup wipes, they do not irritate my skin at all. These wipes nourish your skin while removing face and eye makeup, even waterproof mascara. This formulation helps to condition and soothe skin. It leaves no greasy residue and it is hypoallergenic. Okay, I definitely said that wrong. Definitely said that incorrectly. I also purchased this from Burlington. It's Soporific Rose Micellar Cleansing Water all in one. It removes makeup, cleanses, and refreshes your skin. Yes, it does. It removes dirt, oil, makeup, impurities from your skin. It's gentle, but yet also powerful. It cleanses your skin with a quick swipe, so there is no need for harsh rubbing or rinsing. And I must say, it's true to its word. I love it. Just by using this cleansing water, the makeup wipe, the coconut oil, what? Can't nobody tell me nothing. And you wonder why my face be looking so fresh and so clean. Ain't nobody else like me. I'm just so fresh and clean, so fresh and so clean, clean. So what I have here is the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castor Bar Soap, and this is in the tea tree. And I must say, I seen this at Burlington, but the first time I seen this is when we went to New York and one of my friends, she had it. And I was like, girl, your skin is popping. My skin need to be popping. We got to be popping together. So when I went to Burlington and I seen this, I was like, what? I'm picking you up. Like, you going home with me today. You feel me? You going home with me today. You got to have my skin popping too. So we going to be popping, popping. But I'm gonna also be honest with y'all, with Dr. Bronner's, it definitely like penetrate through the skin. So if you do have sensitive skin, I wouldn't recommend to use it every single day. I use it every other day, but overall, I love the product. So right now, what you see me doing, I rinsed off the soap, make sure everything is taken off completely. I'm gonna go ahead and pat dry my face, so be very careful and think of your skin as a baby. Be very gentle with your skin. So yeah, that's what I did or whatever. So what I have here is the Glitz and Glow Detoxifying Peel Off Mask. And guys, when I was at Burlington, I was like, oh my, this is so cute. Like, look at it. It has like stars and moons and planet. I was like, oh my, I just have to try it. It's only $3. It's not really going to hurt the pocket, but it can also hurt the pocket. But we're not going to think of it that way. But whatever, we're just going to go ahead and purchase it. And it feels good on my skin. Is it a great mask? 1 out of 10. I must definitely say that it's at a 5.2. But like I said, I would only use this product once a week. I do have sensitive skin, so I am very careful on the amount of products that I use on my skin because I'm trying to help my skin not irritate my skin and eventually my skin break out. Like, we don't need none of that. Like, no, it doesn't work that way. And with this mask, I only leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes max. After that, it's coming off. But with this peel off mask, I definitely do not take the time to peel it off. Like, I just don't have time for the peel offs. Like, I'm not gonna do that. You know what I mean? I'm just not gonna do that. So what I end up doing is getting a washcloth, use warm water, and I just wipe the mask off. It does take a while. It took me about 5 to 6 minutes to take it off, but I did get the job done, and it makes my skin feels so soft afterward. So you can try this mask. It's not like, yes, go get it. But if you just want to try something really fast, simple, cheap, I will go ahead and use the Detoxifying Peel Off Glitz and Glow Peel Off Mask. Another great product that I purchased from Burlington is the Advanced Brightening Cream, and it contains vitamin C. It's a hydrating formula, improves the look of discoloration. Concentrated triple infusion includes 3 forms of vitamin C, and it's made with nourishing coconut oil and aloe vera. Like, obviously in the past, around my eyes is really dark. I guess that's hereditary genetics, like it's just in my family. But I can see a little improvement. I guess consistency is key, but I do love this cream. Like, it's the bomb. And the last thing I'm going to use is obviously some Vaseline, where I purchased at the dollar store. No, I did not purchase it at Burlington. Burlington probably has some petroleum jelly, but I got this like a while back. So I like to rub the petroleum jelly on my lips, around my eyes. And yes, your girl looking all cute, finna go to bed looking all cute or whatever, looking clean, so fresh. But I just want to say thank you all for watching. And if you are new to my channel, take the time to hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell button so you are notified every single time I post up a video. And I will see you all in my next video.